Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and wearing glasses is great to be able to see, but it's really a pain in the butt when you can't see out of your glasses because they're just covered in stuff. So I am constantly cleaning my glasses. I would say I clean them at least 6 times a day. I have to have spotless glasses. So I had to have a wipe that was going to work well, that wasn't going to leave any streaks, that wasn't going to leave any lint. I tried some that were amazing cloths, but they left lint all over my glasses. And I can't stand little speckles of lint everywhere. So these cloths, they lived up to my expectations and more. They are so easy to use. You just grab one wipe, open up the wipe. These wipes are safe for anti-reflective coating. They work really, really well. So let's see, we got a lot of dirt on my glasses here. They are really well coated in whatever the cleaner is. I find that by the time that I'm done getting all the speck of dirt off my glasses, that the cleaner is drying up. So I've used the cleaner to clean the glass, and then now I'm using the wipe to make it nice and shiny and nice and clean and nice and dry. And the formula does not irritate my eyes. Some are just so alcohol, chemicals, and this one does not feel that way. So now if we look at my glasses, they're a whole lot cleaner and I can see a whole lot better. So if you struggle with having clean glasses like I do, you're gonna wanna grab yourself the whole box of these, a giant box like I did. And that is my point of view.